ಸೊ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಡೆದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀಟ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಕೇಳೋದಾ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Not only the NEET paper, but there have been many paper leaks from the past 10 to 12 years. And this ignition made the youth stand together and fight for their rights. And this is just the beginning. This made the government understand that we are not a generation that will let things slip away. We will continue to demand justice and accountability from the government. Thank you. Jai Hind.
I am happy for what has happened today. So, educate, agitate, and organize. Jai Hind.
NEET paper leak, it's a very big disaster, you can say, because how many like lakhs of people are giving NEET paper just for their future. Lakhs of students are giving, and one paper leak, like just one paper leak, and your 1 year goes out of like 1 year for a student, it's a big thing. You pass out, each year matters, and one paper leak, then 1 year is gone. 100% it's administration problem, because paper is something which supposed to be on, like that's supposed to be one of the secretive thing. Since our childhood, when we are giving papers, exams, we always feel like this is something where I will score, and on the basis of that score I would be judged, and that is what Indian administration is, Indian education is. But once that paper leak is coming in the picture, think of a student who's giving his whole year just to reading something, and now that paper is in open, and someone who doesn't know anything buying that paper just by paying lakhs and crores, and he's going to be the doctor. Now doctor is someone which we all know, like we feel like doctor is God, right, who saves life. Look, the exam must be like, the paper shouldn't be leaking, right? The answer shouldn't be in the market before the exam comes in the picture. So it must be very secretive. It must be like one of the secure thing must be there. Like all the exams, whatever happening in India, NEET, AIEEE, or any other like PSU exams are happening, GATE exam is happening. All these exams must be very security tight exams must be there. Like it must be very secretive exam, so that the students can be benefited with it, and anyone who's giving their 100% for that exam can be selected. The Gen Z kids, as you just said, once they are finding it, like they can do it, they can do it. They are like, from millennium till Gen Z, you can see this difference. Millennium was some point of the time they were thinking, should I do, what would be the impact? But this Gen Z generation, they are not thinking of the impact. They are thinking like, currently I need this, let me go for this. Whatever the impact would be there, I'll be the one who will be taking the impact. Shouldn't be any option, not last option or any option. This shouldn't be an option, because what all of us Gen Zs or our students, all of us, we are just thinking one thing, like although one step we are failing, we can build another step. We must always look ahead of it. Like this is not an option.
యాక్చువల్ గా అలా లీక్ అవ్వకూడదు, లీక్ అవ్వకుండా చూసుకోవాలి. బట్ లీక్ అయింది, సో మాకు అకౌంటబిలిటీ కావాలని చెప్పి మేము ప్రొటెస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసాం, స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరం కలిపి. అండ్ ఆల్సో కోర్టులో జడ్జ్ కాక్రోచెస్ అని చెప్పారు, కాబట్టి అది ఇగ్నైట్ అయింది ఎక్కువ. ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్పగలం, అదేంటంటే మెంటల్ ప్రెషర్ అందరికీ ఉంటది, ఎగ్జామ్ రాసే అందరికి. బట్ మీకు ఒక ఛాన్స్ అయిపోయింది అంటే, అది ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయారంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ చేయగలరు. అంటే సెకండ్ ఛాన్స్ అందరికీ ఉంటది అని చెప్తాను. ఇంకోటి, చనిపోతే అసలు ఏమి మనం సాధించినట్టు కాదు. పేరెంట్స్ ని ಪ್ರೌಡ್ గా ಫೀಲ್ ಅಯ್ಯಲ್ಲ చేయాలంటే ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ మనం ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಸೊ ಈ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗಿನ ನೀಟ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಲೀಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ನಡೀತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಹೋಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಲೈಫ್ ನ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಯಾಗಿ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.